Good morning, students. We are going to do the chapter The Midnight Visitor, the character sketch of this chapter, of the important characters of this chapter. The first is Ausable. Ausable is an interesting character. He is the main protagonist. The writer has portrayed him as a secret agent, but his looks do not resemble a secret agent, as he is a short man with short height. His calm and easy-going disposition does not suggest that he has the shrewdness and reflexes of a spy, but underneath his deceptive and plain exterior lies a sharp mind, alert and ready to tackle any mistake. He has British accent. He speaks French and German passably. He is ahead of his adversaries at every step and is cunning to the core. He gets rid of Max without even raising a finger. Though Ausable is a contrast to the thrilling image of a spy that the world has, he is quick-witted and clever. Now we come to the next character sketch, that is of Max. Max is a secret agent and a rival and enemy of Ausable. He is slender, a little less than tall. He is lithe and rugged agent. He has sharp features that lend him the cunningness of a fox. Max does not look threatening at all. He is incautious and credulous and gullible to the extent that he cannot look through Ausable lies and readily accepts whatever Ausable tells him. Max doesn't fit the role of a secret agent at all and is no match for Ausable's smartness. Due to his foolishness, he fails miserably in his mission and he meets his end. Now we come to Fowler. Fowler is the main character in the story, The Midnight Visitor. He is a young writer. He wrote books related to the romantic aspect of life. He is filled with fanciful notions about the life of a spy. He looks for thrill and action-packed adventure. When he goes to meet Ausable, he spends a drab evening with Ausable and is extremely disillusioned. Fowler's appetite for thriller is soon fed when they encounter Max in Ausable's room. He is surely forced to change his opinion when he sees the nimble-witted manner in which Ausable disposes Max. So these were the three important characters that we had done, the three characters of the story, and we have done the character sketch, which tells you that what kind of people they were and how they behaved in a particular situation. Now we come to the moral. What do we learn from the story? We all know that each story, every story has some moral to give, has a message for us. So what is the message? What is the moral of the story? This lesson teaches us the ability to think fast and work cleverly and methodically with enough patience in a surprisingly dangerous situation. Yes, the moral is to teaches us the ability to think fast and to work methodically, that is more important, and cleverly, which can help us when everything has failed. This can help us to come out of any situation. Second point, we should not judge anyone by the physical appearance. Mental power or intelligence is much more necessary in tricky situation. Yes, we should not judge anyone by the physical appearance, what he is capable of doing or what he is not capable of doing, or what are the qualities that he possesses and what he does not. Because just by looking at a person, we can't tell what he is. Mental power or intelligence is much more necessary in tricky situation, and it is the mental power, our mental strength, our mental capabilities more than physical power that will help us out of any tricky situations. As compared to physical power, Ozabel's alertness and presence of mind were amply proved when he was caught in a tricky situation. When he is caught in a tricky situation. Now we come to the title, that how will you justify the title The Midnight Visitor? The Midnight Visitor is an apt title for the story. One evening, the secret agent Ozabel is surprised to find a midnight visitor waiting for him in his room. The story revolves around the smartness with which Ozabel manages to get rid of the midnight visitor. In doing so, he is also able to prove to his companion, a young and a romantic writer, that a real secret agent is one who is shrewd and always prepared with a contingency plan. Without the incident involving the midnight visitor, follower would have left feeling disappointed. Hence, the title is suitable to the story. This midnight visitor helps to prove not to judge a book by its cover. Thank you very much. And next session or in the next video, I am going to do some important questions of this chapter. Thank you very much.